Hello beautiful people, welcome to Anivetti's kitchen. So today I'm releasing some of my beauty secrets. So people have been asking me what's my secret. These are some of my secrets. If you realize of late I've been bringing you a lot of health tips. These are my daily routine and this today is one of them. So today we are going to learn how I make my avocado pudding. You can call it avocado smoothie. And health benefits of avocado. Avocado is packed with so much nutrients. It's sometimes referred to as butter for the brain because when you feed your brain with avocado, your brain loves it. And for women trying to conceive, it helps the lining of the uterus. It helps strengthen it because it's packed with zinc, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and because of its vitamin C and E, it beautifies your skin. It makes your skin glow. It's packed with folate. So because of all these things, avocado contains more potassium than your banana. So it is said that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. People have said banana a day keeps the doctor away. Add avocado to it because it's packed with so much goodness. So that's a sum of my daily routine. And what I do is in the morning after brushing my teeth, I drink 500 ml of water. I exercise, and after exercising, I have this. That is if that day I'm doing my avocado pudding. Sometimes I have if you watch the video about the apple cider vinegar and lemon, sometimes I have that. So I keep on rotating it. I do different things just for me to stay healthy, look beautiful, help my skin glow. Because like I always say, I don't just say it, I really believe you can use your food as your only source of medicine. And if you try it, you will believe that it's not just the same, but it's real, and your food can be your fountain of youth. So let's go on and do the pudding. When selecting your avocado, make sure it's got this. It looks like a button, whether it's its eye or if it has this, normally it helps so that it doesn't go off. Normally, if your avocado doesn't have this thing, let me take it off so you know. If it comes this way, and this is taking off, don't buy it. Because most of the time, if you buy it without this, normally it's gone off. So take note. Easy way of cutting your avocado. So you just cut it all around. The seed in it is packed with so much goodness as well. So you see, when it's got that there, see how good and beautiful it looks. And just to do this, and you take the seed out, and don't throw this away. It's packed with goodness as well. See how easy it comes off, and look at how beautiful it looks. So remember to look out for, I don't know whether it's called the eye. Always try, when you're buying avocado, make sure it's there. So before you take it out, because look at how beautiful this avocado looks. So beautiful. I use hemp milk. I would suggest you stick to plant-based milk, so like cashew, like oats, any of the milk from plants should be fine. Don't use cow's milk. Let this be vegan based. And so I add that. It doesn't matter the quantity you want. I want it like a smoothie. You can reduce the quantity if you want it a pudding. You can eat with your spoon. I like to drink with my straw. Then I add 1 teaspoon of Manuka Honey. Manuka Honey is another beauty glow. So sometimes I add banana. You can add banana or just have the avocado. Today I'm going to do it without the banana. But you can add it, and because banana contains potassium and vitamin K as well, it really goes to enhance the beauty of your skin. So I'm going to blend it. I'm going to puree it. So I puree it. Look at the creamy goodness. Look at creamy goodness. And imagine feeding your skin this. Your skin will thank you. And so I have this. So this will be my breakfast when I'm having it. If you want it a bit lighter, you can add more milk or more water. So you can choose to use water. I just use milk and use plant-based, no cow's milk. And it makes you get more goodness out of it, because you know vegan diet is the best here, because cow's milk, it's not really good for you. But I'm not here to talk about that. I'm just telling you, if you're doing this, please be mindful and use plant-based milk or water. So enjoy it. And this, the seed of avocado, what I do is I pack it up, because I eat loads of avocado. So when I have loads, then I grill it, and you can add it to your smoothies when you're baking. It's really good. It's packed with so much goodness. I'll bring you all the health benefits on it and how to do this as well. So I come your way again next week. Remember, your health is your wealth. You are what you eat. And let your food be the only medicine you take, because your food can be your fountain of youth. Cut you.